You turned that on before it was going, and you revved it and I was behind you. It literally burned my pants.
Holy s***, you were right behind me? Savage!
Have you seen anything ever like this in your life?
Like what?
You know what I'm talking about.
This one?
No. That's all right. It's a little bit nutty, don't you think?
I can't deal with these people. I can't deal with these people.
Well, hi, Randy Savage.
Oh my God.
Yeah! And a wild Ferretti is spotted.
Jimbo?
Yes, sir.
What?
So remember I said that Randy had a Randy Savage costume? I wasn't lying.
You know that's what's going on. What's up, bro?
Hi. I'm just here to use his.
There you go.
Did you get a full sunny?
I got it. I got it.
It was a full sun?
Not the full sun.
Hey everybody, welcome to the first day of Gold Rush Rally, official first day. We're getting ready to head over to the starting grid where all the cars are. Got my Savage gear on, I'm ready to party. Got my Bok Choy with me, we're all good. We got Bok
Gang.
Choy, we're rolling, bang.
Zero air conditioning and a shitty wrap
So
job.
you roll down the window. The
I don't think, does the window go down? This doesn't go
I
down.
have no idea.
Yeah, that's
Come to
fixed.
think of it, I've never even thought
Yeah,
of it.
because you see the vent here. This is a fixed window.
Yep.
This car is not going on the trip.
It's supposed to, according to Rami.
No, dude. No, it's 100 degrees outside. So it's not often I have to come up with an excuse to go to Miami, but the Gold Rush Rally was a perfect excuse to come to Miami, especially with a CLK GTR, which is cool as shit. You never see these things on the road. I don't think it's actually going on the trip because if you look at this window doesn't go down. This is sort of your airflow. This is not a summer Miami car, I'll tell you that much. But I'm excited. I'm going to see everybody off. Rally, as always, huge, great turnout, and I'm excited to say bon voyage and wish everybody well.
We are actually bringing it on the rally. It's coming to Amelia Island,
Oh, really?
so we're driving it for the first leg.
God bless them.
Fucking insane. Fuck that.
Yeah.
What? Do you want to explain what you're actually doing here?
Okay.
I said. You turned that on before it was going, and you revved it and I was behind you. It literally burned my pants.
Holy s***, you were right behind me?
When you first revved it, I have a clip of going like, fuck you, because I thought you
I'm
knew.
sorry, but that's totally worth it.
Oh, 100%, that's hilarious. You literally scorched my pants. Oh, they're on fire.
You gotta show that to fucking John.
So he started his car and he was revving it and I had me right behind him. And I was like, why'd you do that? Well, I just looked down at my pants to grab my phone, look at my pants. It completely scorched. It destroyed them. If it was any warmer, it literally would have set them on fire. Isn't that fucking crazy?
You gotta have a caution warning.
You guys ready for Go Red? Hey John, I think it's a little hot outside.
So it's
Like a little bit?
Yeah,
Like maybe just a little bit?
just a little bit.
Do you want to explain the upcoming dilemma?
Well, we got 20 miles to empty and we got 8 miles to the gas station, so
You think we're still going to beat everybody?
yeah.
Even though there's no one to be found in front of us, we're still going to beat them.
Yep.
I trust you, John. I remember Crown Rally.
We're just gonna relax. That's it. Just chill. No speeding tickets. That's the key.
Gas station game is a bit weak here, but you know, it's still a good lineup. Still nice cars here. 570 with a nice bit of confetti down there. That's pretty good. Oh, we got Alex and his yours. Alex! Confetti cannons. Tremendous.
How was it?
It was phenomenal.
I love it.
I saw the first one go off and I was like, oh, I missed the blow off, but then I got the other ones as well.
You got plenty of the other ones.
Oh yeah, that was good. This Grumpy Cat, that's a nice little memorial. We should have had a like the RIP date on there.
Rest in peace.
Yeah. But that's good. I like that.
We love it. Be different. You want some beef jerky?
Ooh.
Homemade?
I mean, yeah, why not? What kind is it?
This is teriyaki.
And it's like 100% beef, right?
100% beef.
Very cool.
Extra soy sauce for you.
Yeah.
You better put some lotion on. How's that?
Oh, that's good. Hey, you want beef jerky?
Nope. Good.
More for me? So we just, let's repeat, let's go. Oh, damn. Woo! You see the flame? This is Gotten, and you noticed something, you told me.
We were the first stop, and then they're, I think, 15 miles up at a different gas station. So we're about to pass most of the majority of the people.
How you doing, John?
This should be a relaxing drive.
Yeah. I see you're not exactly touching the wheel there very much.
No, I'm just gonna drive it home.
Where the gas? The car just doing the self-driving thing? Doing the autopilot?
Yep.
So essentially now I can turn up my massaging seat and you can pass the fuck out. Okay. Alright, with that being said. He just did a full circle around me. You went full Jimbo.
Full Jimbo.
I mean, you actually look like a Russian gangster. You can rock those. You got away with that shit. That's like a Russian businessman. Okay. Well, we are in a little bit of a different setting now. It's later in the day now, and we were supposed to stop at, I think it was Prominent Jewelry, and John and I, for whatever reason, John didn't pay attention, I didn't pay attention, we chose not to pay attention, one of the two. We just completely skipped it, and everyone else went there and had fun. It's almost 5:30 now, and we've been here for essentially an hour. There are people 100 miles away right now, which is crazy to think about, that we got here now, like I said, almost an hour ago. So, but John right now, let's see, where is John? John is, John's relaxing. We'll leave it that way. Welcome. Jesus, you asshole.
Dude, I got 30 boxes of these. They're torpedoes. They're like 5 times the size of
The normal ones?
the little party favors.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at them. They're like little torpedoes.
Don't throw another one.
I won't. I promise. I
That's,
promise I won't do it.
Hit him with it.
No.
oh yeah, no, I know what
those
these
should be
are.
good.
Oh yeah.
Throw it out. Throw it outside. It's so loud. You gotta throw it at the ground hard.
Oh yeah, no, I get it. Oh, well, that was an abrupt change, wasn't it? It's about 9:14, and everybody's had dinner already. Day one of Gold Rush is officially done. And it was very cool, except that I was separated with John Axe for half the day, more or less, and I was happy about that because we got to the hotel before everyone. And Randy and Alex Choi, they had a boo-boo. They're actually trying to fix it right now. This is what we would call a windshield repair kit. Unfortunately, when they were driving, Randy,
Well, Alex was driving the 720. I was ahead in the SVJ. My right and my left tire caught a little bit of road debris, spat it up right behind him, the windshield. But Alex did a great job. He's trying to, you know, glue together broken glass. What do you expect? You know,
Is it actually like repairable, or is it going to be
I
like
don't know,
new
Alex, you
windshield or
want to
something?
bust in with your opinion of the glass?
I don't know, maybe like if you get a professional like windshield repair guy, he'll be able to fix it, but
Do we have anything to look forward to tomorrow?
Well, we're leaving for Atlanta, Georgia tomorrow. That's a scary place. We've both been pulled over there. I think we've pulled over there, and I think there's something else going on. What's the?
we have a
thing?
24-mile police escort, which is gonna be super
That's
cool.
nice.
And then I'll take your SVJ, he can take your 720, and he can take your Urus, and you can just go in the back seat of the Urus, right?
Yeah.
No, I kind of want to just keep sitting in the back of that Urus because it can cool and massage my ass at the same time. And I can film out of it, which is a nice plus. I don't really.
I think we did.
I think that's a poor
We did
play.
2.5. We did 2.5 hours today without touching the brakes, gas, wheel, nothing.
Yeah.
We're just steering the whole way.
I'll put it this way: it's a good thing we have tinted windows in that car.
The cars are in great shape. Other than some minor stuff, we have everything fixed. We're still rolling.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
All
As I said, savage.